There is no doubt that the kosher food business is booming, and it goes way beyond matzah and gefilte fish. Kosher Fest, now in its 21st year, held its 2009 event October 27th and 28th at the Meadowlands Expo Center. It had more than 300 food vendors showcasing their kosher products for industry buyers, retailers, both large and small, with representatives from Costco, Walmart, Wegmans, and A&P, and for hungry reporters like me. In addition to exhibitors, the second annual culinary competition for the best kosher sandwich named Manhattan-based U Cafe's Tarragon Egg Salad Sandwich with caviar and olive tapenade as the winner. And New Jersey's own Susie Fishbein demonstrated the uses of collagen kosher gelatin, and a crash course was given by the Center for Kosher Culinary Arts. Taking Best in Show was Luck Chen Asian Noodles, and the best new beverage went to True Tonic's Brain Tonic, the world's first organic, kosher, botanical-based, non-caffeinated energy drink. Kosher food shoppers, whether you're looking for croissants, mock shrimp and scallops, mozzarella sticks, custom imprinted chocolates, or the new peanut butter hazelnut filled bomba, you should be excited for what's to come.